Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavademal, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department, Subject Code CRA 332, Subject Title Drone Technologies, Unit-3, Topic Name is Drone Controls Flight Operations. Drone flight operations involve several key aspects of control, including the use of hardware and software components to maneuver the drone effectively. Types of drone controls. Manual control. This is typically done via a remote controller which uses joysticks and buttons to control the drone's movement in real time. Movements include throttle, pitch, roll, and yaw. Semi-autonomous control. The drone follows predefined instructions or waypoints while the pilot oversees operations. The pilot may intervene when necessary. Fully autonomous. In this mode, drones are pre-programmed to carry out a full mission without human intervention using GPS and sensors for navigation. Basic movements and operations. Takeoff and landing. Most drones have assisted or automated takeoff and landing functions. Manual takeoff involves increasing throttle while landing requires reducing throttle smoothly. Hovering, keeping the drone stable at a fixed altitude, which requires adjustments in throttle and fine tuning with pitch, roll, and yaw. Maneuvering, pitch forward and backward, control the forward and backward tilt of the drone, causing it to move forward or backward. Roll left or right, controls the side to side tilt of the drone, making it move to the left or right. Yeah, adjust the rotational direction of the drone, allowing it to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Flight mode, that is GPS mode, altitude mode, sport or manual mode, waypoint mode. GPS mode, drone use GPS to hold their position and altitude. This is a standard mode for stable and easy flying. Attitude mode, the drone maintains a level attitude but doesn't hold its position or altitude. This requires more manual control. Sport manual mode. This is high performance mode where the drone's response is faster and there is no stabilization from GPS. It requires advanced piloting skills. Waypoint modes. Pilots can program waypoints in a map interface, allowing the drone to fly automatically between designated points. Navigation and sensor. Global navigation satellite system help in positioning, allowing precise control, waypoint following, and return to home functions. IMU. It measures acceleration and angular velocity, helping maintain drone orientation stability. Barometer. It measures atmospheric pressure to maintain and control altitude. Obstacle detection and avoidance. Uses cameras, ultrasonic sensor, and lidar to detect and avoid objects. Communication systems. Radio frequency. Drones are controlled wirelessly via RF signals, typically in the 2.4 GHz or 5.8 GHz range. Telemetry. The drone sends data back to the controller such as altitude, speed, and battery status. First person view. Allow the pilot to see a live feed from the drone's camera, often used for racing drones or precise filming. Pre-pilot and post-flight check. Pre-pilot checking the battery, props, camera and connectivity, verifying no-fly zone and weather conditions. Post-flight logging the flight data, inspecting the drone for damage and performing maintenance. Thank you.